Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Brony Plays Minecraft. I'm here in the bowels of the nuclear reactor. I've set up the high voltage transformer just beyond that concrete block, and I'm standing on my MFSU. Good old-fashioned MFSU. There we go. And now we're going to climb out of here with some glass fiber cable. Maybe. There we go. You'll see I've already rigged up a medium voltage transformer, which I don't actually need to feed into the MFE right here, but I do need to feed down there. And it goes down there before it comes up here, which may or may not be a wise decision. I haven't decided yet. Probably should go through the main supply lines, but I kind of don't want it to. There is, of course, the issue of using the wrong voltage cabling down there, but whatever. Whatever. I can, at the very least, block that up. And I'll be able to block this stuff up too with some blocks, some blocky blocks in a moment as soon as I make some. I'm going to put that there for now. And this thing should be facing upward, which all means that we should have this whole setup connected and ready to go for power. Now before I power anything, obviously, I am actually, I was about to power something. Oops. Totally going to break something here so I don't overblow anything. I'm going to break this right there. Now, nothing should blow up. This is all input sides. That's the output side. It goes up there into the medium voltage. Outputs medium voltage out to the thingamajiggers and to this thingamajigger, it should output low voltage. Shall we try it out? I hope so. I'm going to start us off with something fairly simple and straightforward. I'm going to use up some of this creosote oil that's built up here. Oof. There we go. I'm going to put it in the liquid semi-fluid generator thing. Very nice. This is receiving power, and it is immediately being sucked out somewhere. Oh, it's probably being sucked out down there. So nothing is exploding. No, that shouldn't be sucked out down there. Where is that being sucked out? So we've got large voltage coming in there, going to turn into medium, going out that way. Everything should be good. Capacity, that's doing fine. Do I have fuel in here? I have fuel in here. That's running. And I should have a much more efficient system now. Whoa, look at that. Boom. 100 just being added right away. I mean, some of that's coming from this, but let's be realistic, not that much. So what I've done basically is I've set it up so that I only lose a little bit of energy through those giant cables. They go to the MFSU straight away. Now that thing's powering up, well, kinda. It just mostly comes straight up here. The glass fiber cable is much better at, not losing energy, so that's nice. Comes up here into this guy. It's much more efficient. There is, however, room for further improvement right here. I don't know why this is like this. Insulated high voltage cable, whatever. Does not need. Actually, could just glass fiber it, but it's because I don't have any gold. Really, there's no need for that. There we go. It looks silly. It looks silly, but it'll work for now. I don't need all those other insulated high voltage cables. Probably should have fixed that a long time ago. There we go. Bunch of cable there. Boom. Fix this up. My ladder. Severus was messing around in here. Let's recharge the wrench. There we go. That's actually taking a while to recharge. Why am I recharging it like this? Let's just set it in here, and it should recharge. Yes, yes. No, it won't. It won't. It won't actually recharge if I put it there. But it will recharge if I put it in one of these things. It'll recharge if I put it in there. That's better. Alright. With that out of the way, we'll have one more bucket run. Empty out the coke oven thing of all of its gunk. I'm going to put some of this creosote in here. It's not actually empty yet. That's a problem. There we go. Excellent. We shall celebrate with a baked potato. Nom nom nom. On to the next thing, which is more techie stuff. Still working on getting this. Now I've got some, I have preparations made to continue with the platinum refining, but in order to do that, I need to construct more thingamajurgs. To refine platinum, you need this. I've been avoiding this for a while, but it needs 3 advanced circuits and a steel machine hull, which if I remember right is steel plates and random machine parts. We've got most of that ready to go. Random machine parts, there we go. And 3 advanced circuits. And we'll need 8 steel plates, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put those into plate machine. Take this out there. Put those into parts. These over here. This, let's see, grinder is also going to need diamond grinders or wolframium grinders. Now, we've got tungsten available, so we might as well use it. It's slightly cheaper than diamond. We are going to need a block of steel, and you'll notice that this makes 2, and we need 3 grinders. So, block of steel, it needs a compressor. Sad phase. Okay, well, that's fine. We are going to need more steel plates anyways. Compressor. I've added the overclocker, so it should work a little better. Steel plate. Thingamajigger. And we wait. Alright, folks, sorry for the break there. It's a bit of a jump. But we've got a steel machine hull. And I believe we were going to make an industrial grinder. Yes? Yeah. Alright. In fact, I think we're going to need a couple of them. We need these tungsten plates and steel. We need some of these grinder heads. We've got 2 blocks of steel ready to go, as well as steel ingots. Do we have all of our plates? Of course not. Do we have any plates in here? Of course not. Do we have any tungsten ready? Probably not. Do we have any tungsten? It's all upstairs, isn't it? I'll need 8 tungsten. I'm just going to make, let's see, 4, 8. I feel like I have that. Oh well. We'll put that in there. Won't hurt to make it a little more. We'll run upstairs. We'll try running upstairs again. And grab the tungsten we need. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have some tungsten in my house. In real life. House. Tiny little cubes of tungsten. They're slightly adorable. Ever so slightly. I'm not actually sure that was enough, but no matter. I'm going to put these in. Let's grab the tungsten plates. Luckily, bending plates is quite quick. Quite quick. In the meantime, I've been observed of showing some weaknesses in my current system. My current energy measuring system thing. So I'll talk about those in a moment. We've got our steel machine hull. We have our fancy things. We've got that thingamajigger. Now we need a pump and an electrolyzer. Ugh. Right? A pump, empty cells, circuit, machine block, tap, and some mining pipe. Now I know we've got some mining pipe left over from the last time we built some pump. There we go. Circuits. Why did he join? This might not even work. Well, we've got some pipe. Hopefully he won't lag out the server. Right then. I don't even know what I need. I need a tree tap. Luckily, I've got the wood for that here. I'm going to need a machine block, so I'll need some refined iron. Oh, wait, did I put some in here? No, I have tungsten dust. I thought I had a stack of refined iron in the furnace. I was refining, but I was probably making steel. Alright. Let's go ahead and make a machine block. Setting up a server is not that hard. It's just harder than you would like it to be. Oh, silly me, forgot the cells. Just steal them out of here. There we go, got plenty of cells to go around. Setting up a server is not that hard, but yeah, sure. Want to learn how to set up a server from a guy who doesn't really know what he's doing? Go ahead. I'm the guy to talk to, apparently. 6. We'll need some copper. 3 copper. Some of that for got the iron there. I'll need a little bit of redstone for the circuit itself. And the rubber. Everyone loves making circuits, right? By which I mean not anyone likes making circuits at all. There we go. We're probably going to need another circuit. I'm going to regret not making more than one. There you go, folks. That's litmus tests how to set up a server. We've got a pump ready to go. That's the wrong button. We need a grinder, so therefore we need an electrolyzer, which of course needs another pump, doesn't it? No, but it does need 2 advanced circuits. That's okay. Aluminum plating, that's fine. Refined iron plating, that's also fine, but aluminum is slightly more common. Do we have any more advanced circuits? We have precisely 3. Hopefully that's enough. Probably isn't. I'm definitely going to need more circuits. We have 2 refined iron plates as is, so I should probably just use the refined iron instead of the aluminum. Does that set up the server? I left out all the troubleshooting instructions. Right then, some refined iron, some more refined iron. Doing this live kind of sucks. Right, electrolyzer. We've got that, we have this. Now we need magnetizer, electrolyzer, and extractor. So let's see here. Magnetizer needs redstone, iron fence, and another machine block. Alright. Let's just make the machine block while we're here. Let's go find us some fence, because I'm pretty sure I have some. And of course the redstone. There we go, 2 iron fence. We really need to bucket out some creosote. And a bunch of redstone. What? You know, while we're up here, what else are we going to need? That's the magnetizer. So, electrolyzer is going to need another circuit, plus a machine block, plus some copper cable. So we'll need 2 sets of cable. And an extractor takes a bunch of tree taps and a 3rd circuit. So we'll need 3 sets of cable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And not enough rubber at all. Or maybe that is enough rubber. Maybe that's just enough rubber for 3 sets of cable. Alright. Pause while we make this stuff. Snaps! We've got our circuits right here. Alrighty. Next. Machine blocks, some tree taps, and some cells. Did you find your surprise yet? No? Alright, we're going to need some more. I think we need 2 more machine blocks, because these are machines. So 1, 2. Ooh, running low on refined iron there. Let's put some of these in. Da 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 ba ba da 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 da. Magnetizer. Let's see. Next, we need an electrolyzer, which is 2 empty cells. There we go. Oh wait, hold on. Tree tap? Nope, not for this one. Good, 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 good. I've already forgotten what it is, but there's a machine block involved, and a circuit involved, and some other crap. And this electrolyzer, copper cables. Ugh. Where'd they go? I left them upstairs. I don't know what Sepper's talking about. Surprises, and I'm not in there. They're over here. There they are. He's also set up a bunch of stuff somewhere in the world. A train station, I think? Not really sure. Alright, we've got an electrolyzer. Now we need an extractor, which is a machine block, circuits, and some tree taps. Luckily, tree taps and the project table are not that bad. Unfortunately, tree taps are tools and thus do not stack. Fortunately, again, it won't matter. Oh dear. Backwards? Yeah, okay. Extractor on top, electrolyzer there, magnetizer there, refined iron plates, 2 advanced circuits, industrial electrolyzer, pump, grinding head, that thing, this thing, and you can see I am missing some stuff. Ah, here's the other circuits, industrial grinder. Now, we're going to put this down somewhere. I should grab my wrench because I'm going to put it down and then we're going to move it again. Because we need to find out what this guy needs before we set him up too fancy, you know? So I will set him up right there. And hope he doesn't blow up because he's plugged into the wrong power. But since I'm not asking him to do anything, he should be fine. Oh, goody! He has an incomplete machine casing. Look, I can't tell. Is that 1 layer? And why is it blue? It probably means water. Max energy 128. That's okay. It's not too bad. Baritol. Looks like he needs either water or mercury, and I think he needs some water in the middle of this area. But with all the machine casing like that, looks like those are standard casings. That these like standard, and what is that? Reinforced? I think. Yeah. Well, that's fine. I'm just gonna pick him up. All right, folks. Potato. Just gonna stick him there. Well, we still have some time left. Bunch of stuff in there. Oh, look, I'm rotten flesh achievement. Oh, and the magic tallow. Need to upgrade that chest. Remind me later. I have a thing here, which is probably why I got all of that. Because, does this have ore in it? Yes. Good. Alright. I don't know what this was. It looks like a thing that has a weapon and aura and modus. It's probably Sword of the Zephyr. Alright. Oh good, it has 4 things. That's not helpful. Last one. There we go. Okay. Gonna need those feathers. And we're going to need to add in some Motus, of course. I've got some Tudeman right there. Oh, look at that. It had some of the Volito on it. Oh, isn't that nifty? Meow. Meow. Nifty, see? Meow. Alright, I think a minecart also has Motus, but seeing as boats are slightly easier to get. Lol. Don't know what he's talking about. What is that? I think I've lost him. I also think I have lost all of my wood. There we go. So let's see. We've got two items that both need ludicrously complicated things to solve. We've got this sword thing that's going to take forever. I'm almost out of my wand of fire. I should make a new one of those. I think I only need one more boat. Good. Research it twice, just in case. And some cobblestone. Perfect. Like that. Got a bunch of snowballs there. So I've got two things that need reinforced machine casings. I'm going to have to find a way to power those up. I didn't tell you about how my new and improved system is actually not new and improved at all. But at least we got the Sword of the Zephyr. Thaumium sword with the element of air. Let's take a look. Aw, yeah. Looking at that nicely. We still have that. I haven't discovered that thing yet. Hoe of growth. Everything's coming up for roses. Equal trade. Wand of lightning. Ah, very nice. I'll need a wand of lightning and a thaumium sword and a bunch of crap. 16 crap, in fact. Element of fury of lightning with thaumium sword. It will sweep in a wide arc. And while blocking, it pushes enemies and objects and deflects incoming projectiles. And look at that. It also reduces your falling speed to a gentle glide. Shall we make one just to see what it is like? Wand of lightning takes a wand of the apprentice plus some air shards. So we'll need some shards. We'll need a thingamajigger. Let's grab a thingamajigger real quick. And of course we'll need some thaumium. I have to make some more thaumium. I do not relish the prospect of making more thaumium. But it will have to be done. Also, I'm not wasting that when I've got like so many earth shards. Just so many of them. There we go. We'll stick that up there and this at the bottom. Stick in. Oh god, the answer is beneath us. Good for you. Alright, we need Potentia and Tellum to make the Wand of Lightning. Tellum is easy enough. Comes from arrows. 4 arrows. Potentia, I think, is redstone. Also coal. So, quite nice. Currently, there is a bunch of death in there. Get rid of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, those are expensive. I need what? 16 Potentia? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. There we go. Put the thing over here. Wand of Lightning. Excellent. Now, I need to make thaumium. I need 2 more pieces of thaumium. How do we do that? 8 metal and 4 magic. Okay. Magic is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 metal, though. That's per thing, isn't it? Well, I can take this silver and I'll grab some more. All that aluminum there. Oh dear. Who's back?
Don't make lemonade.
Right. Oh! That's still going. Maybe I put a thing in there while I wasn't looking. Alright. Well, let's see here. Bunch of that. Bunch of that. That's actually not enough, is it? Because I need So sorry. There we go. That's probably enough. And any extra will get, of course, tossed into... Oh. It's in here. Yep. Oh, look at that. I have some rubies. Lovely. Thought he was someone else for a moment. Thaumium. Sword. Alright. Oh, so specific. All of that is nearby. Excellent. I wonder why that didn't pull the tellum out earlier. Curious. Alright. We just need to add the feathers. There we go. Need 16 there. Got a whole bunch of that. Huzzah! Yes. Oh, let's not leave that right there. And, organize. Alright, let's go do some stuff. And then we'll end the video, and it'll be good. Alright. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Of course, now there are no bad guys. There's a creeper over there. Now this only deflects projectiles, so I've made this sword at the wrong time to really test it. Come on, creeper. Oh, look at that! Does it... Can't tell if it hits things around it, but it seems to function very nicely as a sword. If I do this... Ooh, look at that! Shall we see what that looks like? Oh yeah! Wow! Just now listening to Queen. Hooray! Well, there we go. There's my trash talk for the day. I have a magical sword. Let's go enchant it. And, yeah, that'll be that. So there you go, folks. Not a whole lot that was exciting. 12, wow. Repair! Oh my gosh! The sword with repair, and it's spider killing. Very nicely spider killing. Now, as long as we have it around, it should repair things quite wonderfully. Ah, perfect. Until next time, folks, keep on trotting.